If you're trying to make your Salesforce look and feel more like your brand, updating the logo is one of the easiest and most effective changes you can make. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to add or change your Salesforce logo in just a few minutes, even if you're brand new to the platform. Let's jump right in. Once you're logged into Salesforce, head straight to the gear icon in the top right corner. Click it and select Setup from the drop-down. This opens the main setup page where all the behind-the-scenes customization options live. On the left side, you'll see the quick find search bar. Type App Manager into that box. When App Manager appears in the results, click it. This is where Salesforce stores all the apps in your org, including the ones where you'll update your branding and logos. Find the app you want to update. Most people are working with the Lightning app they use every day. Once you spot it, click the arrow at the far right of that row and select Edit. A new window will open with your app's branding settings. Look for the Branding or App Branding section. Here, you'll see options to upload a logo or change the existing one. Click Upload and select your image file from your computer. Salesforce works best with square images and recommends around 128 by 128 pixels, so make sure the logo is clean and readable at a smaller size. Once you upload, you'll see a preview. If it looks good, hit Save. The change applies instantly to that app's navigation bar and app launcher, so your users will see the update right away. Now, if you want to go a step further and customize the company logo that appears on login pages or in Classic, go back to Setup and search for Company Information. From there, find Company Profile or Logo depending on your version. Click to upload your new image the same way. Select the file, preview it, and save. That's all it takes. A few clicks and your Salesforce environment looks more branded, professional, and aligned with your organization. These small visual updates go a long way in building recognition and ownership for your teams. If you found this helpful and want more Salesforce customization tips like this, stick around for the next video. You'll be able to build a cleaner branded experience without needing to be an expert.